Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about 21 hot selling business to start on Alibaba. So make sure to watch the full video. 1. Affiliate marketing. Alibaba offers an affiliate program, so you can apply for an authorized affiliate and can earn money from selling Alibaba products. Whenever a buyer purchases a product from your link, you will get a certain commission. 2. Amazon selling. With proper registration and a tax number, you can register yourself as an Amazon seller, and in that case, you will need to procure the product in bulk. Buy the product in bulk from Alibaba and sell it on Amazon. Also, you can set up a store on Amazon for selling the products. 3. Business directory. Initiating an online business directory is definitely a delicate thing. However, it is a lucrative business too. You can initiate the directory with Alibaba suppliers in a specific niche and help the buyers to find out the specific suppliers for specific products. 4. CCTV camera selling and installation. Currently, Alibaba is the biggest platform for sourcing CCTV cameras and other security surveillance items. These days, security is everyone's concern, so you can initiate a CCTV camera selling and installation business to serve both domestic and commercial clients. 5. Computer accessory store. Regardless of your location, you can source numerous types of computer accessories from Alibaba in bulk. There are several computer peripherals that have the potential of earning high revenue. Some of the most trending items are the keyboard, headphones, LCD screen, etc. And if you live in a metro city or small town, you can open a brick-and-mortar store for selling these items. 6. Cosmetics retailing. This is another great business you can consider starting both offline and online. On Alibaba, you can find a wide range of cosmetics products. Some of the most popular categories are makeup, hair care, fragrances, nail supplies, body art items, etc. You can consider selling those items from your own retail store, or you can opt for distribution. 7. Deals website. AliExpress provides flash deals for a short duration of time, and in those deals, the company offers discounted prices. Hence, you can consider initiating a specific site that covers lucrative deals for consumers. Generally, this type of site gains huge popularity by showing the current deals for the audience. 8. Dropshipping. If you don't have enough capital for procuring the material in bulk, you can still consider starting the Alibaba business as a dropshipper. Among all the online selling options, dropshipping is the most profitable one. Additionally, you can start this business from home with very minimum infrastructure. 9. eBay selling. Basically, eBay is a vibrant worldwide marketplace. Currently, it has a worldwide community of more than 160 million shoppers, and you can sell literally any product on eBay. And for that, you can procure the products from Alibaba in bulk quantity. For starting this business, you don't need to have any commercial space. Just you can operate the business from home. 10. Escrow service. Generally, buying from Alibaba involves a lot of financial transactions, and when the transaction happens overseas, it requires financial security. So both parties look for a reputed escrow service facility. In most countries, including the United States of America, initiating an escrow service requires a specific license and permission. 11. Etsy selling. Nowadays, Etsy is a very popular online retail e-commerce. Some of the most popular items are handmade or vintage items and supplies, as well as unique factory manufactured items. You can start selling on Etsy after procuring the products from Alibaba. 12. Fashion design service. If you are a fashion designer, you can earn a lot of money from Alibaba. You can provide fashion design or apparel design services on Alibaba to apparel manufacturers who look for the same. Generally, apparel designing includes garments designing, jewelry designing, footwear designing, accessories designing, etc. 13. Fashion line. Starting your own fashion line is definitely a lucrative business these days, and to start that, you will need to procure a wide variety of items, and Alibaba is perfect for that. You can procure a lot of items including men's, women's, and kids' wear. 14. Gift card selling. AliExpress is a group company of Alibaba, and AliExpress allows people to set up stores for selling gift cards from there. And there are several ways you can promote the cards online, including on various social media platforms. 15. Herbal product selling. Currently, herbal products are getting huge popularity throughout the globe. Due to the harmful effects of chemical items, people are becoming more conscious about their wellness. So initiating a herbal product selling business is a highly lucrative opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs. 16. Import clearing and forwarding agency. Actually, the import of goods involves a lot of complex procedures in both countries, and often people look for a reputed import clearing and forwarding agency for smooth transactions. Basically, it is a service-based business. Additionally, it needs specific knowledge, skill, and expertise. 17. Import consultant. In most cases, buying goods from Alibaba involves imports from different countries, and the people who are buying the products from overseas for the first time often look for an efficient import consultant. Basically, they want to get advice about what they should do and what not. So if you have clear conceptions and knowledge about foreign trade, you can provide services as an import consultant. 18. Logistic company. As such, any product-based company requires professional logistic help for smooth transportation and delivery. So you can consider initiating a regional logistics company to help your customers to get the delivery of the goods at the proper time. However, proper planning and financial management are absolutely necessary for operating a logistics company successfully. 19. Machinery selling. Nowadays, Alibaba is the biggest platform for procuring machinery throughout the globe. Hence, you can consider selling different machinery and factory equipment through Alibaba. If you are already a machine manufacturer as well, otherwise, you can also consider reselling. 20. Product reselling. This is another great business you can consider worth starting with the help of Alibaba. There are numerous formats for reselling the products in the local market and throughout the globe. You can sell from your own retail outlet or consider initiating a retail distribution company also. 21. Product review blog. Apart from impulse buying, people always look for honest and non-biased product reviews before a planned buying. So initiating a product review blog is a lucrative option for aspiring individuals who want to initiate an online business from home. Additionally, there are a lot of free options you can explore for initiating a blog. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.